Hey guys, welcome to Quinty's TV. This is your first time here. You're also warmly welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a fenugreek hairspray. Very good for hair growth. Actually, fenugreek stimulates blood flow to the scalp and it also nourishes the hair follicles and thereby promotes faster and healthier new growth. It's also anti-inflammatory and also help with dandruff and scalp irritation. Also, we also have apple cider vinegar, which you're going to use in here. Apple cider vinegar is very good for cleansing the scalp. You will really love this hairspray if you use this on your hair, especially before applying your deep conditioner, so that after that you have to wash it out. Also, you can use it as your pre-pod. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed yet, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video you will be notified. Thank you guys. So now let's get straight to the video. First of all, you have to get yourself fenugreek seeds. Soak them in water overnight. Then separate the water from the seeds. You get your other ingredients set. You get your spray bottle. You get your tea tree oil. You get your olive oil. You get your apple cider vinegar actually, and then you get your olive oil. These are the necessary ingredients for this spray, as simple as it is, but you get massive hair growth. Very simple if you are consistent with this recipe. Let's get going. Like a real love, but it goes so fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you, used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience, so won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me shake well and it's ready to use. Actually, there is this fenugreek mask I made for my hair. It's also good for hair growth. You can check that out on my channel. It's already on my channel. You can check that out. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to come back for amazing natural hair tips.